everybody's seen. I'm going to select her, Shift A light, target light. It's a cool little thing that ChatGPT helped make. So you can add a bunch of lights. You can make them all 10 watts. Let's make them 25 watts. And let's just make just 10. All right, so all lights selected. We're going to move them up and scale them down. I guess we can actually scale them while they're here so that I know where they touch the ground. Boom. Move them up. Can we get the top view? Yeah, that's so pretty. Alright, now that they're all up there, I'm going to hit I, location and rotation. Move down here. G, Z. I can even go below the ground. That'd be kind of cool. Something like that. I, location, rotation. What's cool about this is I can move. God, it's so laggy. Wrong keyboard shortcut. All right. I don't know what I did. How did I expand them all like that? That was kind of cool. A? Is it S? Shift S, I think. No, Shift A. Yeah. Okay, cool. Shift A opens everything. But there's like another way. Shift click opens just that tree. Yep. Okay, cool. Move these to a new collection. Okay. I don't want to see them. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Don't want to see them. I don't want to select them. Yeah, I kind of want to see them, but I don't want to select them. Okay, cool. That's what right? Can't select them. Perfect. While we're at it, don't want to select you. I don't want to select you. Alright, neat. So, 10 lights in here. That's doing its thing. Alright, now what we can do, Shift A, target light. Let's add another 20 lights, 25 watts. Let's go ahead, move these to a new collection. Lights 2. Okay. I want to hide these for a second. So now we got lights 2 all selected. Scale on the z-axis. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do that because I'm going to move them underneath now. This is new. I haven't done this when I did the other recordings. G, Z. Let's move it below the ground. Oh, that's kind of cool already. I just need like a little rim light there. G, Z. Let me get a little more. That's kind of neat. I think I'm just going to leave it that way. I can make them rotate though. That'd be kind of cool. 7. You know what I mean? You can just make this thing rotate the whole time. But then, bring these guys back. That's so cool.